Good morning.
Good morning, doctor.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
What brings you here today?
I'm not feeling well.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache.
Since when?
Since yesterday evening.
Is the pain severe?
Yes, it is.
Do you have a fever?
Slight fever.
Any cough or cold?
Yes, a mild cold.
Did you take any medicine?
Only a painkiller.
Did it help?
Not much.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, very tired.
Are you sleeping well?
No, not properly.
Any stress lately?
Yes, work stress.
That can cause headaches.
I see.
Do you drink enough water?
Not really.
Dehydration can be a reason.
I didn't know that.
Do you have nausea?
A little.
Any vomiting?
No.
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No allergies.
Good.
What do you think it is?
It looks like a viral infection.
Is it serious?
No, it's common.
That's a relief.
I'll check your blood pressure.
Okay.
Please relax your arm.
Sure.
Your BP is normal.
Good to hear.
I'll check your temperature.
Okay.
It's slightly high.
Should I worry?
No need to worry.
That's good.
I'll prescribe some medicines.
All right.
Take this tablet twice a day.
After food?
Yes, after meals.
For how many days?
For 5 days.
Any side effects?
Mild drowsiness.
I understand.
Drink plenty of water.
I will.
Get enough rest.
Okay, doctor.
Avoid cold drinks.
Sure.
Do you smoke?
No.
Do you drink alcohol?
Occasionally.
Avoid it for now.
I will avoid it.
Eat light food.
Yes.
Any stomach pain?
No stomach pain.
Good.
Can I go to work?
Take rest for 2 days.
Okay.
Do you have dizziness?
Sometimes.
That should reduce soon.
All right.
Come back if symptoms worsen.
I will.
Do you have diabetes?
No.
Any past medical issues?
No major issues.
That's good.
Thank you.
I'll write the prescription.
Okay.
Take medicines on time.
I will follow it.
Don't skip meals.
Yes, doctor.
Reduce screen time.
I'll try.
Get enough sleep.
I will.
Do you have any questions?
When will I feel better?
Within 2 or 3 days.
That's good.
Avoid stress if possible.
I'll manage it.
Practice relaxation.
Like meditation.
Yes, meditation helps.
I'll try that.
Good.
Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome.
Should I take a blood test?
Not needed now.
Okay.
Come for review if needed.
Sure.
Take care of yourself.
I will.
Avoid crowded places.
Yes.
Wash hands frequently.
I will follow that.
Use a mask if needed.
Okay.
Any chest pain?
No.
That's good.
Can I drive?
Yes, but carefully.
Understood.
Take this syrup at night.
Once a day?
Yes.
After dinner?
Correct.
Thank you.
Avoid junk food.
I will avoid it.
Eat fruits.
Sure.
Especially citrus fruits.
Like oranges?
Yes.
Okay.
You'll recover soon.
That's comforting.
Stay positive.
I will.
Here is your prescription.
Thank you, doctor.
Any other concern?
No, that's all.
Good.
I feel better already.
That's nice.
Thanks for your time.
My pleasure.
When should I come again?
Only if needed.
All right.
Take rest today.
I will.
Drink warm water.
Yes.
Avoid late nights.
I understand.
Follow the instructions.
I will follow them.
Get well soon.
Thank you.
You may leave now.
Okay.
Take care.
Thanks again.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you if needed.
Sure.
Have a good day.
You too.
Stay healthy.
I'll try my best.
That's enough for today.
Thank you.
Visit the pharmacy.
I will.
Don't forget the medicines.
I won't.
Goodbye once again.
Goodbye, doctor.